This is the IBM Bob IDE, where we are going to convert the Maximo Java code to Python. Now let's go to the Bob settings and see the custom modes created for this use case. Using Maximo Python automation mode, to which has the rules to convert the Java code to Python, the second mode is Maximo test generator mode to generate the test cases to the already converted Python script. This is the IBM cost bucket where we have the Maximo Java file, which needs to be converted to Python. Now, let's start the Java conversion process by providing the prompt with all the cost bucket details in Maximo Python automation mode. It has retrieved all the files from the bucket and identified the Java file, created a to-do list for automated conversion. Now Bob has downloaded the Java file and starts its detailed code analysis for the entire Java file for conversion. Since it's a 1,000+ line Java file, it will decompose the file into multiple Python automation scripts. Now Bob has started the code conversion to Python. As you can see, Bob has generated multiple Python scripts and completed the conversion. Now Bob is uploading all the converted Python automation scripts back to the cost bucket. Now Bob has uploaded all the files to the cost bucket. As you can see in the COS bucket dashboard, all the Python files have been uploaded to the cost bucket. Now the code conversion is completed. As you can see, Bob has summarized the conversion process. Now, let's generate the test cases for the Python automation scripts using Maximo test generator mode. First, we analyzed each converted script to identify the launch point type like object, attribute, action, or condition, and target events like init, add, save, and validate, having business logic features like field validations, status changes, and data propagation. Next, we automatically generated 30+ test scenarios covering the happy paths like normal operations, negative tests like missing required fields, and edge cases like boundary conditions. Each scenario includes preconditions, test steps, and expected outcomes. We then created the seed data files for creating test records, automated verification of field values, and status changes. We then created executable test artifacts like Python test runner using Maximo REST API. The result is a complete, automated test suite that validates all 8 scripts through API calls with automatic cleanup. From Java conversion to tested Python scripts, fully automated. Thank you.